What if I told you that the key to dominating your life and career has been hiding in plain sight for centuries? Imagine having the power to build your own empire just like the greatest rulers in history. In this video, we're about to unlock 15 mind-blowing secrets from the world's mightiest empires that you can use to conquer your goals and crush your competition. But here's the kicker. One of these ancient strategies is so controversial, it might completely change how you view success. Miss this, and you could be leaving empire-sized opportunities on the table. Ready to unlock the power of history's greatest leaders? Hit that subscribe button now, and let's dive into the hidden world of empire building that school never taught you. 1. The Midas Touch, creating demand from resources. The Mali Empire turned abundant gold into a global commodity through strategic showcasing. This ancient tactic mirrors modern marketing strategies that create desire for products we never knew we needed. Just as Mansa Musa's Golden Pilgrimage sparked worldwide interest, companies like Apple transformed technological advancements into must-have status symbols. 2. Financial wizardry, mastering the money game. The Dutch Empire's creation of the stock exchange revolutionized wealth accumulation and distribution. This innovation laid the groundwork for modern financial systems that savvy entrepreneurs navigate to fund their visions. Today's business moguls like Elon Musk leverage diverse funding sources from venture capital to crowdfunding, echoing the Dutch Empire's financial ingenuity. 3. Visionary leadership, charting a clear course. The Roman and Mongol empires expanded through clear, ambitious visions that inspired millions. This approach to leadership transcends time, with modern visionaries like Jeff Bezos transforming Amazon from an online bookstore to a global e-commerce giant. By setting audacious goals and articulating them clearly, these leaders, ancient and modern, rally their teams to achieve the seemingly impossible. 4. Meritocracy matters, valuing skill over status. The Mongol Empire's merit-based promotions ensured competent leadership across their vast territories. This principle finds its echo in modern tech giants like Google, which implement rigorous, skill-based hiring processes. By prioritizing talent and ability over connections or background, organizations can tap into a wider pool of innovative minds and drive unprecedented growth. 5. Adaptability, the key to resilience. The Byzantine Empire's thousand-year survival demonstrates the power of adaptability in the face of constant threats. This resilience is mirrored in modern businesses like Netflix, which pivoted from DVD rentals to streaming, revolutionizing entertainment. The ability to adapt quickly to changing circumstances remains a crucial skill for both empires and individuals seeking long-term success. 6. Cultural appreciation, the melting pot of success. The Mughal Empire's cultural integration fostered innovation and creativity across their realm. This approach is echoed by global companies like Unilever, which adapt their products and marketing to diverse cultural contexts. By embracing and valuing different perspectives, organizations can unlock new ideas and tap into broader markets. 7. Technological edge, staying ahead of the curve. The Tang dynasty's technological advancements parallel the relentless innovation of today's tech giants. Companies like SpaceX demonstrate how staying at the forefront of technology can revolutionize entire industries. By consistently pushing the boundaries of what's possible, both ancient empires and modern enterprises can maintain their competitive edge. 8. Infrastructure investment, building for the future. The Mali Empire's focus on infrastructure laid the foundation for their long-term prosperity. This strategy is mirrored by modern nations like Singapore, which transformed from a small island to a global economic powerhouse through strategic infrastructure development. Investing in robust systems and structures, whether physical or digital, creates a platform for sustained growth and success. 9. Efficient communication, the power of direct dialogue. Ancient empires emphasized swift, clear communication to manage their vast territories effectively. This principle is exemplified by modern leaders like Richard Branson, who prefer direct phone calls over lengthy email chains to solve problems efficiently. By prioritizing clear, immediate communication, both empires and individuals can navigate complex challenges more effectively. 10. Knowledge is power. Investing in education. Timbuktu's role as a learning hub reflects the timeless importance of knowledge acquisition and sharing. Modern tech hubs like Silicon Valley thrive on a culture of lifelong learning, with companies offering extensive training and development programs. By fostering an environment of continuous education, organizations and individuals can stay ahead in an ever-evolving world. 11. Fairness. First, the foundation of trust. Ashoka, the Great's focus on ethical governance parallels modern corporate social responsibility initiatives. Companies like Patagonia, known for fair labor practices and environmental stewardship, demonstrate how ethical business can build strong customer loyalty. By prioritizing fairness and transparency, both ancient rulers and modern leaders can create lasting trust and support. 12. Strategic planning, the art of foresight. The Ottoman and Roman Empire's meticulous planning mirror successful modern project management techniques. Companies like Toyota, with their lean manufacturing processes, show how detailed planning can lead to industry-leading efficiency. By thinking several steps ahead and considering multiple scenarios, organizations can navigate complex challenges and seize opportunities. 13. Cultural Renaissance, embracing arts and creativity. The Mughal Empire's artistic patronage reflects the importance of creativity in driving innovation and cultural identity. Companies like Pixar demonstrate how fostering a creative culture can lead to groundbreaking products and sustained success. By valuing and investing in creative expression, both empires and modern organizations can inspire new ideas and maintain cultural relevance. 14. Diplomatic mastery, balancing friends and foes. The British Empire's diplomatic prowess enabled it to navigate complex international relationships and maintain global influence. Tech giants like Microsoft demonstrate how strategic partnerships and careful competitor management can maintain market dominance. By skillfully managing relationships with allies and rivals alike, organizations can create a favorable environment for growth and expansion. 15. Legacy, building, creating lasting impact. The Roman Empire's enduring influence parallels modern efforts at creating sustainable long-term impact. Philanthropists like Bill Gates show how strategic giving and long-term thinking can create legacies that outlast individual careers or lifetimes. By focusing on creating lasting value and positive change, both ancient empires and modern leaders can ensure their impact resonates through generations. These timeless strategies from history's greatest empires offer a roadmap to personal and professional dominance in the modern world. If you're intrigued by the idea of building your own empire of success and financial freedom, keep watching our previous videos that tackle more ways to get there. You'll be amazed at the surprising insights and strategies we share to help you conquer your goals. Don't forget to click the link in the description for exclusive content on applying these empire-building secrets to your life and career.